122 feet
of 4-wire Romex. Let's see how much it weighs right now, with the insulation on it. It's like 28 pounds. And see how long it takes to strip it from the insulation and see how much it weighs then. So we know exactly how much copper we have. Looks like 18 pounds.
So the idea is to make an ingot mold that can hold the amount of copper that fits in one crucible. Right now I just have a garbage can full of random copper pieces. I'm making this mold out of 3/8 inch steel because it's repeatable. I can pour the copper into it and it can solidify and then I can reuse it. Whereas if I was gonna just do it in sand, it would be, you know, a one-shot deal. Might as well use up some of these small pieces. That's one. That's probably enough. Perfect. We cut out all these pieces here on the water jet. We stack them all up together. Put a rod through it. And the mold roughly has the same volume as the crucible, so one full crucible will be able to pour into one of these molds and fill it up.
And so we've got the pieces here that Alex cut on the water jet, and I'm going to put these rods through these holes and bolt them together to form a single piece. The reason I use acorns on the bottom is so when I stand it up, it'll be the same height and level. You can see inside how it tapers down the bottom. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take a torch and we're going to put some carbon inside of it so the metal won't stick when we cast the new ingot. You can see now the inside is all coated in carbon. Now we're ready to pour copper into it.
Only at 14 pounds now.